Joe Williams Farms, Newton, Alabama. Steers. 25-1A, 25-1B. Cattle be sorted according to weight.
Yeah.
Joe Williams Farms, Newton, Alabama.
Yeah.
25-1A, 25-1B. Joe Williams Farms, Newton, Alabama.
Okay, that's fine.
25-1A,
Thank you.
25-1B. Joe Williams Farms, Newton, Alabama. Steers. 25-1A, 25-1B. $25-1A will be one load of steers, around $7.50 for an August the 12th through 15th delivery. 64 steers, around $7.50. 25-1B will be 37 steers, around $7.20. 25-1B will be 37 steers, around $7.20 for September the 16th through 20th delivery. Joe Williams Farms, Newton, Alabama. Real nice set of number one muscle, medium and large frame, Angus sired steers. There'll be a few. Got a little white face in them. Got a little Simmental in the dam. Calves are sired by Final Lancer and 8180 Sons. Some of the top Angus sired steers in Alabama. Joe Williams Farms, Newton, Alabama. $25-1A, $25-1B. $25-1A. Around 65 steers at $7.50. $25-1B. 37 steers, around $7.20. Joe Williams Farms, Newton, Alabama. 25-1A, 25-1B. Mr. Joe's been a previous president of the Alabama Safe. He has a lot of help from a little old gray-haired lady named Miss Faye. Joe Williams, Newton, Alabama. Really a fine set of number one muscle, medium and large frame Angus sired steers. Cattle are real docile. Not as fleshy as they've been in years past. Joe Williams Farms, Newton, Alabama. 25-1A. 25-1B.